DaVinci Resolve, how to speed up certain parts of the video. This will be the case study. I waited for CATIA V5 to process a mesh, and I decided to speed up the video. So if you want to take a look over here at the timestamp, we see how that will go. Now, in order to address that within DaVinci, I will drag and drop that video. So this will be the case study video. I will have this changed to the resolution and frame rate of the video. And we see this longer period over here. So where there is no audio, I stop the microphone over there and I want to speed up this. So to do that, you're gonna go within the timeline. You can hold down the Alt and zoom in order to position more precisely. Afterwards, you're gonna select the video, right click, and we're gonna go to Retime Controls. And we're gonna have a percent over here appearing, so it's currently 100%. We're gonna add a speed point, so click on that small black triangle, add a speed point over there. Afterwards, zoom out, go to the section where you wanna end that section that will be speeded up. So for example, somewhere around here. Afterwards, click again over here, add speed point. And now all you have to do is to drag the top elements over here. And we're going to see the percent of the speed up. So it's currently 158. And you can drag this according to your needs. You can also check over here. So we see that currently over here I am within second 58. And over here I will go all the way to 34. So depending on the need of your video, you can just drag that. And afterwards, if you're gonna press space, you're gonna see the real-time playback for this. And yeah, we have that speeded up, and the final output will be the one that I showed you previously. So I hope that you find this video useful. I will position a similar video on the left side. I will also add a playlist at the top, and I will also add a subscribe button. So that's it. Thanks for watching.